So today we're back with Too Fat for Fun. Hi, I'm Dodo, and I'm Dr. Space Momza's coach, photographer, and daughter.
Hi, I'm Jelly Beans, also known as General Jellissimo, Dr. Space Momza's daughter, videographer, and stunt coordinator.
On this episode of Too Fun Family, I will be answering questions about Too Fat for Fun. What has Dr. Space Momza been doing to lose weight?
Dr. Space Momza has been going on lots of runs every day. It's constant. She never stops.
She's been running, dieting, doing stairs. What was Dr. Space Momza like before she started losing weight?
She was very fat.
Mom didn't really go anywhere or do anything, and she wasn't the happiest.
I couldn't wrap my arms around her whenever I tried to give her a hug, and she was unable to do lots of things, unable to go on lots of rides, unable to do basically anything you wanted to do that was fun.
Is Dr. Space Momza any different now?
Dr. Space Momza is different now because I can wrap my arms fully across her whenever I hug her.
She's happier, she's more motivated to do stuff.
Also a lot more fun to be around.
How do you help Dr. Space Momza lose weight?
I take Dr. Space Momza on runs. I encourage her.
I coach her. I take her on lots of walks and runs. I recite poetry to her on the walks and runs. I give her very detailed descriptions about books we're reading in school. We put down a sticker for each pound she loses at the beginning of the week.
And eating the food she makes, even though it tastes horrible.
How do you help Dr. Space Momza prepare for travel?
I helped my mom by watching Rick Steves, learning languages, and by learning the history of the place we are going to.
I help her plan the itinerary, discuss the pros and cons of the hotels for each city. We learn languages together, and we discuss where we should go on our runs. Where is the best place we've gone? I really liked Florence and Sorrento. Florence was a little more active. I really liked the cooking class we had there. We learned how to make gelato and pizza. We found a toy shop. It was awesome.
The best place that I've gone to in Italy was Sorrento. It had a beautiful beach.
It was just a nice little town.
And it had a restaurant that was 1 Michelin star that tasted really good.
If you could go anywhere in the world with Dr. Space Momza, where would you go? To Mexico, Japan, and Hawaii?
I would like to go to Japan because of the food and the sushi, which is also food.
I just really like Japanese food, and I'd like to see the shrines. I like Mexican food too.
To Egypt because of the pyramids and because of all the history there. I would like to go to Hawaii because of the beaches and the volcanoes.
Hawaii, it might be because I'd like to see a luau. I would like to see the beaches, and I'd like to eat some Hawaiian pizza. Mom is working on her next travel goal right now. Do you think she is going to achieve her goal? Definitely. She's achieved a lot of her other goals.
I think that Dr. Space Momza will achieve her next travel goal because she is working really hard to earn it.
I believe she can, because anytime she sets a goal for herself, she decides to do it and take it seriously. I really like that about her. Why is the show called Too Fat for Fun?
Because my mom was too fat to have any fun. She couldn't do things that she wanted to do.
Mom used to be too fat to go on some of the rides with us. She either didn't fit in the ride or she wasn't strong enough or physically capable of going on like the hikes with us. It's also because Mom wants to change to not be too fat for fun. She wants to be too fun for fat. I made that one up. You watched your mom set goals for herself to lose weight and get traveling. How does that make you feel?
I'm proud of my mom. She is working really hard. She is losing lots and lots of weight. She is now able to go traveling, which is a thing that she's always wanted to do. And her seat won't be super uncomfortable for her.
It makes me feel enthusiastic and happy because we get to go a lot of places then. She will get to live longer, and yeah, I'm just happy about that. Also a little bit annoyed sometimes just because sometimes it's too much running and I don't really want to go out. I do it anyway some of the times. Now, goodbye.